Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Google Chrome web browser current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.4 Purple Edition. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux Purple Edition, that is Firefox. Now go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser. Click on download Chrome, then select 64-bit .debian package. Then click on accept and install. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Also open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. At a moment, still it is downloading. See, download is completed. ls. Now install this package sudo dpkg-i google. Press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, then provide the password of the sudo user. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version number 143. See, we have successfully installed. Go to applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select both the checkboxes. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on OK. See, got the Google Chrome web browser. Don't sign in. Got it. Okay, so we have successfully installed Google Chrome web browser on Kali Linux 2025.4 population. Ls, this file is not required anymore, so I am removing it to clear the space. rm Google, press the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.4 population. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.